Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to reset iPad Pro. It is really simple and I will show you how to do it. First you need to go to setting, then journal, then you can come here and find transfer or reset iPad. We'll tap on it. Now here you will find two options, reset and erase all content and settings. Reset button will reset all settings, network settings, but it will not remove any apps or data from your iPad. And the erase all content and settings, this option will completely erase your iPad. So if you want to sell your phone, if you want to sell your iPad, then I would recommend you to use this option. Otherwise, if you are having some issues, then with apps, then you can try this, the reset network settings and reset all settings. I will go with this one. As you can see, erasing will remove your personal data so this iPad can be safely traded in or given away. So continue. Erase iPad. Now it will take a few moments. Now it's booting. It barely took 2 minutes to reset the tablet. Now choose English, your country, connect to Wi-Fi network, join. Screen is a bit dim, so I will make changes to it. Continue. Set up later. I will don't use the password. Don't transfer app data. Set up later in setting. Agree. Continue. As you can see, your phone is set. Now it is downloading some of the apps. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.